All right, everybody, welcome back. Thanks so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I'm going to show you guys how to use a circuit identifier, circuit tracer. So there's two pieces to this. One goes in the outlet or the circuit that you are trying to turn off, and the other part you take to the panel to figure out which breaker it is. So as you can see right here, I'm going to plug this in. There's a little red light that lights up, and I'll also take out my plug tester right here to show you that the power is on. This does need a battery, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in real quick, and then I'm going to take this to the panel, and then we are going to get this all set up. So it turns out if you want to put the cover back on this, you have to do it the right way, otherwise it just doesn't work, you know? Sometimes it just is like that. So you have to force it, it usually is never going to work. So I don't know if you can hear that, but there is a very slight ticking noise, very slight noise. So let's go to the panel and turn this baby up and find out what circuit it is so I can turn the power off, even though I could do that without this. But for the sake of this video, we're going to show you how to use this thing. So either the breaker did not work because it has this bump out right here. So I'm going to put it on the garage circuit right here, which is number 6. So either this is broken or it just didn't work with the different type of breaker. So this, I don't think this actually works. So decrease in sensitivity. So it should, oh, there we go. Look at that. So there we go. Okay, so you turn down the sensitivity right here to dial it in. The more sensitivity, the more it's going to pick up on other breakers. So basically you just plug it in on your circuit right there. And then you come over to the panel and you start to swipe down on the breakers. It is kind of harder with these GFCI breakers and the AFCI breakers. So that's why I put it on the garage circuit, because I was having trouble with the bedroom one. But as you can see right here, it's going crazy. So we know that that's our breaker right there. This one's kind of picking up for some reason. So I'm going to tune that out a little bit. See if this will still work. There we go. So basically that's the only one that works now. The only one that's picking up. It's kind of sensitive and it's not working all the time. So it gets you pretty close. It's not, obviously it works, but you have to like fine tune it and stuff like that. So like I can basically turn it so it doesn't work. So it just depends on where you spin the wheel at, how accurate it's going to be. Like sometimes it picks, for some reason it's picking up over here on the 30 for some reason. Maybe it's on the same phase or something, but obviously we know it's going to be a single pole 120. See, as you can see, sometimes it doesn't work, so you have to kind of increase the sensitivity again, and it's basically going to be going crazy. See, it's going slower over here, and then it's going wild on that one. So you kind of get the idea of the video, but so that's how the circuit identifier works. You plug it in right there, take it over to the panel, and then you go ahead and find the one that it goes to. So you hold this at a 90-degree angle. If you want to pause this and read it, it tells you how to do it. Basically turn the wheel right here for sensitivity. So that kind of makes it easier or harder at sometimes. And then you hold it at a 90-degree angle like this. And sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So this is probably just a really old one. I got it for $5 from someone off Facebook Marketplace. So first I thought it was broken, but I'm glad it's not. So kind of get the idea. So hopefully that helps you out. Thanks guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out the description, hit the notification bell if you want to. God bless. See you in the next one. Peace.